Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
The Select Terrain system offers 5 modes: Auto, Snow, Sand, Mud, and Rock. In everyday driving, keep Auto selected so the vehicle shifts torque automatically between axles for traction without driver input. Use 4WD lock when you need consistent full-time 4-wheel torque on slippery surfaces, and use 4WD low for steep climbs, deep mud, or rock crawling. Limit 4WD low to under 25 mph. Always come to a stop or low speed. Shift to drive or reverse as required. Then press the mode or 4WD button to engage the chosen setting. Keep 4WD auto for wet or snowy highways, and avoid 4WD lock on dry pavement to prevent drivetrain binding and excess wear. For consistent handling and traction, monitor tire pressure and rotate tires as recommended. Target around 35 psi cold and inspect tires at least once a month for damage and tread depth. Disengage 4WD low above 25 mph and rely on auto mode for routine traction control. And remember, stability control and ABS remain active in most modes to help maintain control during emergency maneuvers. Confirm ground clearance is about 8.6 inches and visually check for clearance around skid plates before attempting extreme lines or obstacles. Engage 4WD low for steep grades, deep ruts, or technical rock sections, and keep vehicle speeds below 25 mph while in low range. Use low gear selection to maintain engine braking on descents. Always carry recovery gear: a 5000 lb rated tow strap, tree saver, shackles, a compact shovel, and a traction board, and practice safe recovery techniques with another vehicle before relying on them in remote terrain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.